Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App payment failed for protection on iPhone. And I'm going to show you on Android because the process is 90% the same on both Android and iPhone. The remaining 10% I will let you know what is different in iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to do, you need to check if your payment has been failed. You have to check that if you're sending the payment to the person for the first time. If you're sending for the first time, you can fix that problem by saving that person's number on your phone. Number two, if this isn't your problem, then you can also check if you're sending a large amount of money to that person. So you can fix that by trying to send less amount of money to check if this problem persists or not. If your problem doesn't solve, you can go to the step 3. If the person account is closed, so the person you're trying to reach, you can ask them personally on phone or on your text message that if your Cash App account is closed or not. Number 4, check your bank account. If you're trying to send from Cash App and it's failing, then you can try to contact your bank account to check that if the problem is from your end or not. In the step 5, what you have to do is open your web browser, type status.cash.app. Now this website will tell us that the Cash App servers are working or not. Or you can long press your Cash App, go to the app info, and from here you can clear the storage of your Cash App. And this process is slightly different on iPhone. You can go to your iPhone settings, go to general, or you can go like your storage where you can see all of the applications, and from there you have to select the option called offload the application. You have to select that option on iPhone. That's different from Android. Okay, so you have to offload the Cash App and open the Cash App again, log into your account and try again to send your payment. And that's all the steps you have to do, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix Cash App payment failed for my protection. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.